Let's take a look here at numbers 23 through 24, where we will refer to the graph shown below. We have favorite ice cream flavors of Helen's class, the number of students on our y-axis, and the flavors on our x-axis. Flavor. Now 23 asks how many students chose vanilla ice cream as their favorite. We'll use the graph here to find the number of students who chose vanilla ice cream as their favorite. The correct answer is C, 3. Let's take a look at 24. Which flavor was the favorite of the greatest number of students? Here we'll use the graph again. We need to find which flavor the greatest number of students chose. Based on the graph, 2 students chose chocolate. One student chose strawberry. 3 students chose vanilla. And 4 students chose peppermint. Three. Great, let's circle those. We have 2, 1, 3, and 4. Now let's compare which flavor was the favorite of the greatest number of students. The answer will be peppermint, or answer choice A. Now let's take a look at number 25. If the perimeter of a square is 36, what is the length of one side? Now let's take note that the perimeter of a shape is the sum of all the sides. In a square, all sides are equal. So if the perimeter is 36, then each side equals 36 divided by 4. Or 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 36. The correct answer is 9, or answer choice C. Now let's take a look at number 26. If 1 pound equals 16 ounces, which of the following is equivalent to 2.5 pounds? So if 1 pound equals 16 ounces, then 2 pounds would equal 32 ounces. And 0.5 pounds would equal 8 ounces. So 2.5 pounds would be 32 plus 8. Or 40 ounces. The correct answer is D, 40 ounces. Now another way to solve this problem would be to use guesstimation or estimation. Since the question is asking for what would be equivalent to 2.5 pounds, we know that the number of ounces has to be larger than 32. Again, only D works. 40 ounces. Now let's take a look at 27. Jessica worked 5.5 hours on Tuesday and 3 3/4 hours on Wednesday. How many hours did she work on Tuesday and Wednesday? Now since Jessica worked at least 5 hours on Tuesday and at least 3 hours on Wednesday, we know that she worked at least 8 hours at a minimum. So let's eliminate A and B. They will be too small. Now between C and D, 8 1/4 and 9 1/4. When we add mixed numbers, we need to make sure that the fractions have a common denominator. Here we'll add 3/4 plus 1/2. Our common denominator here is 4. Four times 1 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. We can add 3 and 2 to get us 5/4. Now let's convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. 5/4 can be divided out. 5 divided by 4. Four will go into 5 once with 1 remainder. We take that 1 and make that the numerator. And we take the 4, what we're dividing by, and make that our denominator. 5/4 is equal to 1 1/4. Now we need to combine all of our whole numbers together. 5 plus 3 plus 1 will give us 9. And now let's add 9 to 1/4. Here we'll get 9 1/4. The correct answer is D, 9 1/4.